rotating tires on a 2016 Jeep. This is my daughter's beautiful Jeep. I'm trying to take good care of it for her while she's out on the road trucking it most of the time. So I got everything up on the jack stands. I got all the lugs loose, I think. We'll check. And I'm going to take the front tires, or the rear tires, both of them, and move them directly straight out front. I'm going to take the front tires, crisscross, and put them on the rear. Let's see. Let's see how we do. I knew I had to take one more off. Let's see if we can get a look at that. Don't want to lose your special purpose tool for special rims. Gotta love what they call these man tools, right? That's how they make you feel. My buddy Dwayne always told me, he says, man, lube up your air lines, which I did your tool. Make sure they got lube in them. This one's gonna go up front. This one's gonna go on the other side. And this one goes up front. Got all my tires exactly where they need to be. The two front tires over here and over there, they are switched around to go on the rear now. Both rear tires are directly moved straight up front, no crisscross. Learned that on these YouTube vids. I always put these, start them all by hand, so you do not cross thread. That is when you do not want to crisscross. I'm going to tighten it up right away. Little bump. I'll check those with the big torque bar too. Name for this is impact wrench. Okay. Start over. Let's start on this side. Need that bandana. Let me go see if I can go find that bandana. Be right back. Special tool will help. Right there. Don't lose special tool. One down. 4 to go. That should do it. This is the one, remember now, from the back. This one was going to go up front, straight up front. The new back one used to be the passenger side because we crisscrossed. You know, something that's kind of important. Feels a little crossed or out of place. We'll see. Yep, gotta let it down, and then we'll check everything. What do you think of that? We'll check our tightening job. If these are good, we can assume all the rest. Yeah. Yep. They all did even. Yeah. Yeah. Special tool, put it back in your glove box. You don't want to cross thread this either. So you start this very slow. Back it out. Let it get its full speed up to beep. Hammer it on in. Stay on. Special tools going back right away. So I have a special tool for next time. Well, I sound brilliant anyway. Make sure all our tools are put out of the way. I get my jack stands, make sure they're out of the way. We're going to back this thing on out. And we're going to be very happy we did my personal, that I can remember, first tire rotation. It's not a big deal. It's just taking time to do it. And I waited for the perfect weather. That's why you should stay lean. You don't have that problem. Your pants stay pretty much hiked up. So we got everything rotated. I'm curious to see if it'll handle any different going down the road. You know, will it mess with alignment? Make sure tires look good. Goes down the road straight, you know. You gotta check those things. I think we'll be okay. Faith did a good job. I lost some water. I know it looks gross, but who cares, right? I don't know what else to say, man. Just glad to be able to do a few things myself. I'm glad I've saved some equipment over the years, air tank, you know, some impact tools, you know, that Mac tool lift for the motorcycle's incredible. I took my beloved pumpkin in today to Joel's at Absolute Performance. That's off of Warwick Boulevard in Newport News. You can check that place out. Always awesome. Yeah, so I'm thinking what I might want to do is clean this stuff out. Really like to get that washer out of here and start driving this Jeep right in here. I have room for Jeeps, have room for all my motorcycles, you know, my boat. I can keep things garage kept. They'll stay much better shape. So, yeah, that's a thought. Till next time, world famous Motobomb is out. Bye.